seemed so hard, and every road was right. But his trust and determination gave him the strength to carry on with the journey until the end. Now here I am, walking on the same road he took. I feel so weary and down, no hope for me to stay. But I recall he went through more than what I have now. He walks ahead of me, so why would I turn back? The greatest test we must face is when all things seem unfair. There's too much power in when you think you're in great despair. But look at him and only him, for he walked where we've been. So why would we give up now? Let's fight till the end.
He's determined to take the path to eternity. Whenever reason says enough, his faith fuels him. And here we are so far from what he's been through. He walks ahead